You've been lied to. You see wealth everywhere on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. What they don't show you. The major money mistakes young adults make that keep them broke. And if you're making these mistakes, you might be sabotaging your financial future without even realizing it. Stay till the end, because the last mistake. It's the silent wealth killer, the struggle. Why so many young adults stay broke? Let's start with the first trap: lifestyle inflation. You get your first decent paycheck, and suddenly, boom, you're upgrading everything: fancier apartment, latest iPhone, weekend getaways. But here's the problem: if your spending rises with your income, you'll never build wealth. Think about it: a $5 coffee every day. That's over $1,800 a year. That's money that could have been invested. Would you rather have 5 minutes of caffeine or a few extra thousand in your investment account? Next up, debt, the silent wealth killer. Credit cards, student loans, car payments. Debt is a chain around your future. You know what's crazy? The average credit card interest rate is around 20%. That means if you carry a balance, you're paying for the privilege of staying broke. But it gets worse. There's one financial trap that's even more dangerous because it's disguised as an opportunity. Trading stocks like a gambler. You see your favorite influencer brag about making 5x returns overnight, and suddenly, you're YOLOing your rent money into meme stocks. Here's the truth: the market rewards patience, not reckless speculation. If your investment strategy feels like playing roulette in Vegas, you're doing it wrong. Cut to a clip of a casino dealer saying, "Place your baits," with a text overlay, not how investing works. The solution: building wealth the right way. So how do you avoid these mistakes? First, pay yourself first. Before you even touch your paycheck, put money into savings and investments. Second, avoid unnecessary debt like the plague. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. And finally, focus on long-term wealth. Stop looking for overnight riches and start thinking decades ahead. And if you really want to take control of your money and master financial literacy in 2025, I've got just the video for you. Click on this video right here to unlock the secrets to financial literacy in 2025. Your future self will thank you. See you there.